Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best 80s vinyl records is probably one of the most iconic and nostalgic ways to experience the music of that unforgettable decade, offering a tangible connection to the artists and sounds that defined a generation, from the synth-pop anthems to the power ballads that still resonate today. These records aren't just music, they're a piece of history, a vibrant snapshot of a time when music was evolving at a breakneck pace, and the vinyl format was king, providing a warm, rich audio experience that digital formats often struggle to replicate, making them a treasured item for collectors and music lovers alike. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Keep your vinyl collection pristine with our comprehensive 4-in-1 cleaning kit. It's everything you need for superior record care. This kit includes an ultra-soft velvet brush for gentle cleaning, a powerful cleaning liquid, and a dedicated stylus brush. You'll have all the tools to maintain your records. Proper care ensures your records sound their best for years to come. Our kit provides professional-grade solutions for your cherished vinyl. It also comes with a convenient storage pouch, making it easy to keep your cleaning essentials organized and protected. Take it anywhere to ensure your music always sounds great. Experience the difference professional cleaning makes. Our kit is designed for audiophiles who demand the best for their vinyl. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for a thorough vinyl cleaning. It includes a velvet brush, cleaning liquid, and a stylus brush, all in a convenient pouch. If you're looking for a comprehensive and portable solution to maintain your record collection, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great collection of 80s vinyl. The sound quality is excellent for vinyl. Number 4. Legend. Experience the power and elegance of the new Legend. It's designed to elevate your everyday life with its sophisticated features and unparalleled performance. This device is engineered to help you achieve more. Its intuitive interface and advanced capabilities empower you to push boundaries and explore new possibilities. Every detail has been meticulously crafted for a premium feel. From its sleek design to its robust construction, it represents the pinnacle of quality and innovation. It effortlessly connects with your existing ecosystem, making your digital life smoother and more efficient. Enjoy a truly integrated experience. Step into the future with this groundbreaking product. It's more than just a device, it's a statement of progress and a glimpse into what's next. What we like. Experience a legendary album like never before with its pristine remastered sound. This edition is a must-have for any serious collector. If you appreciate musical history and superior audio quality, this record is an essential addition to your collection. What people say. The vinyls have great sound quality, capturing the authentic 80s vibe. The album artwork is beautifully reproduced, a real treat for collectors. Includes a wide selection of hits from the decade, offering excellent variety. Number 3. Abbey Road Anniversary Edition. Celebrate the iconic Abbey Road album with this special anniversary edition. Experience the music like never before. This release honors a true masterpiece of music history. It's a must-have for any serious music lover. Discover the rich details and incredible sound quality that defined an era. You'll hear every note with stunning clarity. This anniversary edition is a unique collectible for fans. Own a piece of musical heritage. Immerse yourself in the magic of Abbey Road. This is the ultimate way to connect with the album's legacy. What we like. Celebrate a milestone with this special anniversary edition. It boasts enhanced audio fidelity and includes exclusive bonus content. If you're a dedicated fan eager for deeper insights and an elevated listening experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The vinyls are in excellent condition, with clear sound quality. Great selection of 80s hits, perfect for any retro music fan. Number 2. Gold, Greatest Hits. Experience the timeless classics with Gold, Greatest Hits. This collection brings together the most beloved songs for your listening pleasure. Journey through a rich musical history with this compilation. Each track is a testament to enduring artistry and unforgettable melodies. Rediscover the songs that defined an era. These iconic tunes are sure to evoke cherished memories and bring joy to every listener. This is the definitive selection of musical masterpieces. It's the perfect addition to any music lover's collection. Enjoy music that transcends time. These greatest hits continue to captivate audiences with their universal themes and powerful performances. What we like. This compilation brings together all the greatest hits in one place. It's a fantastic value, offering a comprehensive selection of chart toppers. If you want a quick and easy way to enjoy a band's most popular songs without buying individual albums, this is ideal. What people say. The vinyl records feature a diverse selection of 80s hits, covering various genres. Each record is pressed on high-quality vinyl for optimal sound reproduction. The album artwork is faithfully reproduced, adding to the nostalgic appeal. Number 1. Back to Black. Introducing Back to Black, the revolutionary solution for restoring faded black surfaces. It brings back the deep, rich color you remember. Tired of dull, graying plastic trim? This product is designed to penetrate and restore the original black finish, making it look like new again. Application is simple and straightforward. Just a few easy steps will reveal a dramatic transformation, reviving the appearance of your vehicle. It doesn't just restore, it also provides a protective layer. This helps to shield treated surfaces from future fading and environmental damage. From bumpers and trim to dashboards and more, this versatile formula works wonders on various black plastic and rubber components. Get that showroom look back. See the incredible difference it makes. Rediscover the deep black luster that enhances the overall look of your car. It's time to bring it back to life. What we like. Immerse yourself in a performance filled with raw emotion and soulful depth. This record is a timeless masterpiece that continues to resonate. If you connect with powerful vocal performances and music that speaks to the soul, you'll want this in your collection. What people say. The vinyls are in excellent condition, with clear sound quality. Great selection of 80s hits, perfect for nostalgia. The packaging was secure and the records arrived without any damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.